It's me, Roxy Morningstar. Welcome back to my channel, my friends. I hope you enjoy this frozen mince recipe for a furry baby's breath. Now they are ready to enjoy. These treats are healthy and will help freshen your furry baby's breath. And surely will get your pup wagging his tail. Thanks for watching, my friends. See you on the next one. Bye.